Today we're going to learn all about force and motion, push and pull. Everywhere we look, objects are in motion. Have you ever stopped to think what makes them move? In this video, you will learn about forces. We'll focus on two types of force, pushes and pulls. We'll also talk about whether they are strong or weak. And then we'll have a review to make sure you understand everything. Ready? Let's go! In science, we talk about forces. Forces make things move. Look at the dogs. They are pulling on the rope. A pull is a type of force. Here you can see two boys pushing a car. A push is another type of force. Forces make things move or even change direction. The shopping cart did not start to move until the woman applied a force. She pushed the shopping cart. A push is a kind of force. A push moves an object away from you. The sled did not start to move until the girl applied a force to it. She pulled the sled. A pull is a type of force. A pull moves an object toward you. What types of forces can you see in this video? There is both a push and a pull. One man is pushing the flowers. The other man is pulling the door. Time to practice. Can you identify these forces? What do you think? Is kicking a soccer ball a push or a pull? That's right, it's a push. The farmer is picking peppers. Is that a push or a pull? You got it, it's a pull. And what about shooting a basket? Push or pull? Yep, it's a push. Good job. Forces can be strong or weak. We call this the magnitude. These two are throwing the ball using a weak push. The ball doesn't go very far, and it doesn't go very fast. This is a weak force. Now look at these two baseball players. Their throws go so far and so fast. They are using a strong force to throw the ball. The magnitude of their throw is greater. Now you give it a try. Can you tell if the force is strong or weak? Pushing up a heavy weight needs a strong force. Pushing a doorbell uses a weak force. Pulling a drawer open uses a weak force. Doing a pull-up requires a strong force. Now that you've learned a lot about forces, let's review. Fill in the blank. The two types of force are blank and blank. Pushes and pulls. Good job! The strength or weakness of a force is its blank. Magnitude. Which of these pictures shows a push? The shopping cart, the button, or doing a sit-up? Which of these pictures shows a pole? Dragging your luggage, kicking a soccer ball, or dragging a wagon? Which of these pictures shows a weak pull? Pulling on a sock, pulling a plant out of the ground, or pulling someone's hair? Which of these pictures shows a strong push? Hitting a tennis ball, rolling a ball, or pushing a heavy box? In today's video, you learned about two types of forces, push and pull. You also learned that forces have magnitude, which is how strong or weak they are. Every day, everywhere you look, objects are in motion. Now go be a scientist and see what you can observe. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to Ms. Cotton's Corner for more learning fun. And if you're a teacher, you can find Ms. Cotton's Corner on Teachers Pay Teachers, Instagram, YouTube, and my blog at MsCottonsCorner.com. See you there!